Welcome aboard the Riva 130 Bellissima, a legacy elevated. With 4 decks, the party never stops, with entertainment and lounging spaces thoughtfully designed throughout the vessel. Each deck gives unique experiences. You can have everything from open air, panoramic views, and enclosed relaxation for when the weather disagrees. This 130 Bellissima was carefully designed to meet the owner's needs and lifestyle, bringing Italian craftsmanship with a Miami presence. There are accommodations for up to 11, with the guest rooms on the lower deck and this on-deck master. Schedule your appointment and experience the Riva 130 Bellissima at the Allied Marine Display located on Ramp 8 on Collins Ave.